aPriori has pioneered a unique enterprise cost management software platform that helps companies to understand, manage, and reduce their cost of goods sold before going to production. aPriori determines the cost of a product by combining fundamental aspects of its design with information on how and where it will be manufactured. aPriori uses this information to automatically generate real-time cost assessments which include material costs, labour costs, overhead, and any capital investments required to produce the part. These cost assessments are continually available to all organisational functions that influence the cost of the product throughout the design and manufacturing planning process. In determining product costs, aPriori first considers the design of the part or assembly to be produced. To obtain this information, aPriori automatically derives geometric cost drivers from the CAD solid model to capture cost-relevant design information. The geometric cost drivers that aPriori understands and utilises include specifics of the design's geometry, its complexity, material properties, size, weight, tolerances, and surface finish, to name a few. In addition, aPriori factors in a number of important non-geometric cost drivers when producing a cost assessment, including material costs, manufacturing process choices, production volume, and the facility where the product is to be manufactured. aPriori cost assessments are also based on how and where a product will be manufactured. In aPriori, cost drivers are evaluated in what is known as a virtual production environment, or VPE. A VPE captures a particular factory's manufacturing process capabilities, information on the machines and routings available to support these processes, as well as the cost structure of the facility. This includes labour and overhead rates, material costs, machine costs, setup costs, tooling and fixture costs, and machine programming costs. aPriori's patented technology combines the geometric cost drivers of a product with the manufacturing capabilities of a given VPE to generate a predictive and precise product cost assessment in real time before going to production. aPriori helps individuals throughout your organisation understand the impact of a variety of cost-related choices, such as what is the impact on product cost as the product designer evaluates various design alternatives? What is the impact on product cost if the global sourcing manager wants to use a supplier in China? What is the impact on product cost if a manufacturing engineer selects a different manufacturing process? What is the impact on product cost if a procurement specialist knows what a product should cost before negotiating with suppliers? With aPriori, everyone in your company has immediate visibility to the cost implications of each and every trade-off decision they make on a daily basis. With this information in hand, you will drive cost out of your products weeks or even months before going into production. In this type of cost-conscious environment, the inevitable result is that your product costs will decrease, your cost of goods sold will go down, and your company's overall financial performance will improve measurably. aPriori, cost knowledge before it matters.